Welcome everyone to the fourth part of our Songs and Rhymes project. In this section we're going to learn how to add user input so that the user can actually add their own names for the computer to sing to. So let's go up to the top and we're going to change our file name to Happy Birthday 4, and then under our requirements list here we're going to add user input. And then the first thing that we're going to need to do is to create a method that allows for user input. So we'll say def get name. Your method name should be as close as possible to what the function actually does. So that's why I named it get name. And then we want to put a colon and hit enter. And then I'm going to create a variable called name to hold the name. And then I'm going to call the built-in Miro method that allows me to enter strings. So I'm going to call raw input. And then parentheses and a quote, I'm going to put in a prompt, so I'll enter a name. And then I'm going to put in enter in brackets so that a person knows to hit the enter key to quit. And then I'll put in the actual command prompt that you see in the IDE. And then in the next line, when the person's done entering the name, they're going to have to return the name so we can use it later in the program. And then what we need to do is go down to the main, and instead of passing in sing, we are going, well, first of all, we need to call this function. So we're going to say person is equal to get name. So what happens when the program is run is it's going to go to the first line of the main and it's going to look for this function or method get name. It's a function because it returns something. And then it's going to pass whatever in name into this variable person. So when we call the sing method, what we need to pass in is the variable person. And notice up here already that we have that parameter up here. And the parameter is local, so it's okay to have these two parameters with the same name. And we won't need these two names because we only want it to sing to the one name that the user actually enters. So now I'm going to copy this into my idle development environment. So I'll go File, New Window, and I'm going to hit Paste, and then I'm going to run it. Ask me to save it, and I'll save it in the network where I've been saving my other files. And I'm going to type in Happy Birthday 4 so it matches the file name, and I'll hit save. And let's see, I can enter a name, so I'll say Mark.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mark. Happy birthday to you.
And you see it printed out and also spoke to me through my headset with the name that I entered. Alright, so in next session we're going to learn how to add a list to store a number of names so that you can have the computer sing to multiple people. See you next time.